Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix forgotten password on Instagram. So if you wanna log into your account and you can't remember your password, so go for here forgot password and search for your email or mobile number or username. So if I go for just my username and go for find account, and you have to enter the code which is on your email. Just okay, this is here. You can enter that code on that box. Otherwise you can go for just here from this reset your password. Okay, then you can enter your new password here and go for just continue. Okay, after that you can reset your forgotten password from here. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.